Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming accounts and codes. Log into your JD account and make sure your phone or email is verified. This prevents checkout blocks. Once done, locate the One4all card code and check the balance so you know coverage. Make sure the card is allowed for JD purchases in your region, otherwise the code won't apply. With verification and the code in hand, head to JD and choose the item you want to buy to begin payment steps. At checkout, focus on the payment section. Select gift card, coupon, or voucher input. Some JD flows hide manual entry under other payment methods, so look carefully. Enter the One4all code exactly as shown, case and characters must match, then tap Apply. JD will validate and deduct the available balance. If the card covers part of the order, JD will show the remaining amount to pay. If it covers all, confirm and place the order to complete the purchase. Finish by paying any leftover amount with your preferred method and confirm the order. Save the order number and a screenshot showing the gift card application for records. If JD rejects the code, don't panic. First, recheck the card balance and entry accuracy, then confirm the card is eligible for JD in your country. If problems persist, contact One4all support and JD customer service with the screenshots and order ID so they can trace validation errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.